Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to give you a little rundown of this race that's about to happen. My buddy here has his Gen 2 S550s, full bolt-ons, E85. His roll is a 50 roll. So we set him up with a BMW that his roll is a 40. He never wanted to do a 50. So we agree a 55 roll. We do his 40. And when it's time to do the 55, the BMW kept pulling ahead to a 60 roll, continuously over and over, trying to avoid the agreed roll. So here you go, guys. Here's the footage. Enjoy the rest of the video. So hey guys, as you see, so the BMW just disregards, says no, if it's not his 60, which is not my friend's race, he already gave him his 40, is a no-go. So thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.